prestige.
So much pride, so much passion whenever football is played here.
So off we go then. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Well, I can't bypass Cristiano Ronaldo. He knows how to get the job done because he's good for it! Fine, it's bounced out! These early exchanges have been frenetic. It looks like we have a proper game on our hands, Peter.
He's got away. Played back in.
It's a shakes the shoots! Goal! Barcelona!
It's about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly. Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement. Barcelona have an early lead. Good start. Pjanic is making a flurry down the right. Felipe Luis wants to win it back. Hit into the middle. And that's been well dealt with. Offside. Yes, it is. Yeah, Peter, they play the high line well, but it's always vulnerable to pace in behind. Dembele, Cafu, Dembele. Pjanic. He's left his man. Ronaldinho. It's one! Great save, real class. Messi really must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was. Messi with the short one. Forward it goes. The ball's come loose and the chase is on. Delivers across. It's taken out. That'll be a foul. And no surprise, that's a booking. Cristiano Ronaldo. Pogba. Now it's Philippe Coutinho. Coutinho. Ronaldinho going full tilt down the left. Ronaldinho going through. Nice touch. Messi. Keeper's ball. Coutinho does have an assist to his name. Matic plays it out to the flank. through, pumps it into the area.
We hit half-time. There we are, off they go for half-time. The breakthrough did indeed come in the first half, but there has only been that one goal. It was very, very tight.
Well, they definitely won't be happy with that half. They seem to lack a bit of desire, especially going forward. It wouldn't surprise me to see a change or two.
We're promptly into the second 45 minutes.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, and now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a rousing team talk.
Matic very firm in standing his ground there. It is a tough, full contact contest.
Well, you could see he was eager to get a shot away, but there was too much flesh and bone in his path.
It'll be a throw-in. Crunching tackle. And it's Coutinho. Felipe Luis has come steaming up from the back for this. So Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, they may be down, but they're far from out. In terms of chances, they're right up there with these opponents.
He wasn't very far from making something happen by himself. Lovely to see. Messi, chance! Big chance! He has done it! Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting.
So now we're going to get those changes we have been expecting. And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, what a convincing response to going behind. They've got all the momentum now.
Can he put it away? And he has been fouled there. And the referee has shown him a yellow card. Distance. Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Barcelona playing with a high defensive line here. This has to be accompanied by good pressing in front of them in midfield.
Godin. That's been won straight back. If we're going to get a winner, it's got to come now.
We could be headed for a scenario in which next goal is the winner. That chance could have been it too.
Played it short. And it's Pjanic.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Well played, he saw that coming. Ronaldinho. Confirmation.
certain that there will be 2 minutes stoppage time. And it's Matic.
The referee brings it to a close. Passion and panache and perseverance, and in the end, parity. A really good game to watch. Your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?